IBA 30th National Conference adjourned sine die amid disruptions during delegate session in Bangalore. The 30th National Conference of All India Bank Employees Association in Bangalore was adjourned indefinitely following disruptions during the delegate session. The decision was taken by office bearers after proceedings were affected. The multi-day event included discussions, celebrations, marking the union's 80th Foundation Day, and key deliberations on organizational matters.
Government directs PSBs to complete 13th BPS wage revision within 12 months. The Ministry of Finance has advised public sector banks to initiate and conclude the 13th bipartite settlement wage revision negotiations within a fixed 12-month timeline. The move aims to ensure timely implementation of the next wage settlement, scheduled to come into effect from November 2027. IBOC intensifies protest for 5-day work week and against DFS-imposed PLI formula. The All India Bank Officers Confederation has issued a circular following its working committee meeting held on 12 April 2026 at Kolkata. The circular outlines the current phase of agitation, reaffirming key demands and detailing structured protest programs to be implemented uniformly across affiliates and units. AIBOBOU questions HR Excellence Award to Bank of Baroda. The All India Bank of Baroda Officers Union has formally raised concerns over the conferment of an HR Excellence Award on Bank of Baroda by the Confederation of Indian Industry, seeking disclosure of the evaluation methodology and criteria used. UCO Bank denies RTI request on IBA expenditure and policy guidelines. UCO Bank has declined an RTI request for detailed information regarding its payments to the IBA and internal policy guidelines, citing exemptions under the RTI Act. The bank stated that the disclosure was denied because the request lacked a demonstrated larger public interest. AIBOBOU seeks independent forensic audit of Bank of Baroda promotion process 2026-27. The All India Bank of Baroda Officers Union, affiliated to AIBOA, has submitted a reminder representation dated 19 April 2026, addressing concerns related to the promotion process for 2026-27. The communication is directed to the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Bank of Baroda, highlighting the need for transparency and fairness. Illegal loan apps. Take strong action against it. BEFI Kerala unit demands. The Bank Employees Federation of India Kerala, led by President Sanil Babu N and General Secretary Zareen K. John, is demanding a crackdown on illegal loan apps that exploit citizens through data theft and blackmail. The union urges the RBI and government to regulate digital lending strictly while calling on formal banks to simplify short-term credit for the public. 22,000 RRB daily wage workers flag job insecurity. RBI seek regularization. The All India Regional Rural Bank Employees Association has written to the Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance, seeking implementation of Standing Consultative Committee recommendations on regularization of part-time and casual workers in RRBs. Daily wage employees across regional rural banks continue to highlight issues of low wages and job insecurity. RBI has reiterated the need for policy-level intervention to ensure fair treatment and regularization of such workers across the sector. RRB promotion rules revision pending. RBI plans urgent meeting and action. Regional rural banks promotion rules revision remains pending. RBI continues efforts and plans further action. The issue of revising promotion rules in regional rural banks continues to remain unresolved. Employee unions have expressed concern over the delay and ongoing uncertainty despite repeated follow-ups. RBI seeks urgent government action on pending staff issues. The All India Regional Rural Bank Employees Association has urged the Department of Financial Services to take immediate action on long-pending staff issues in regional rural banks, highlighting that these concerns persist despite strong financial performance in FY 2025-26.
That's all for this week's roundup. Stay tuned with Kannal Media for more updates and developments that matter to bankers.